Can you think of a rhyme for cat? Mat. Yes, mat rhymes with cat. Say it with me. Cat, mat. Sun. What rhymes with sun? Run. You got it. Great job, everyone. Sun, run. Oh! Rhyming time, come and sing with me. Words that sound the same, at the end it's easy as can be. Say it loud, say it proud, shout it happily. Hey! We're learning rhyming words with Miss B. Fan, what rhymes with fan? Van, yes you can. Fan, van. Nap, what rhymes with nap? Tap, give a little tap, tap, tap. Nap, tap, tap, tap. Boy, what rhymes with boy? Toy, that brings us joy. Boy, toy, jump, 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 jump. Oh! Rhyming time, come and sing with me. Words that sound the same, at the end it's easy as can be. Say it loud, say it proud, shout it happily. Hey! We're learning rhyming words with Miss B. Pot, what rhymes with pot? You got it on the spot. Pot, hot. Mug, what rhymes with mug? Bug, give yourself a hug. Mug, bug, hug yourself. Fox, what rhymes with fox? Box, thinking outside the box. Fox, box. Snail, what rhymes with snail? Mail, you did so well. Snail, mail, wave hands. Boat, what rhymes with boat? Coat, let's all float. Boat, coat, sway, sway. Oh! Hook rhymes with hook. Book, let's take a look. Book, 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 book. Oh! Rhyming time, you did great today. Learning all these rhyming words in a super fun way. Clap it up, thumbs up, hip hip hooray. Hey! You learned rhyming words with Miss B. Rhyming words have endings that sound the same, like cat and hat. Great job in the game. See you next time. Don't forget to say, I love to learn.